Good morning, this is Jack from Charlotte Markets Crypto, and this is the Premarket webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 2nd of April. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at the, sorry, wrong chart. Alrighty then, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is obviously the speech last night was kind of a disaster. But this is, I was looking for a rally this week. I wasn't really looking for anything more than that. I think we may well be on the way back down, but I was wondering if we might do a retest of yesterday's high. But to be honest, the speech was a bit grim. I'm not sure we're going to see that. We will see how that goes. But in the meantime, obviously the crypto has been declining as well. We will see how that goes. But I'm thinking this is the rally is likely, this little rally on crypto, larger one obviously on equities, is likely ending or ended. We're back under the 50 DMA. We're back under the daily middle band. On the hourly chart, no current divergence, but obviously we are breaking down from this bear flag. And really, what I'm thinking is I've got a whole load of targets on the downside on equities to be hit really sometime in April, I think. And really, in that time frame, I know it's been slow, but in that time frame, I'm expecting to see these lows retested. Then, of course, we could see a double bottom form, set up a larger rally. And I'm thinking I've only got patterns down for the next leg down to, let's say, 5,900, 6,000 on ES. After that, I'm thinking we could see a decent rally. Not sure why we would see a decent rally, but I'm thinking we would probably either be going back, retesting the high, or setting up larger decline patterns. So that's the sort of timescale I'm thinking of. In that time, we could see a larger rally happen on crypto, because obviously this flag never even got back to 38% retracement of BTC, and actually way less than that on things like Solana. So short term, we break over this declining resistance. There was an opportunity to break up here. I don't think we're taking it. I think we're on the way back down. All right, looking at Solana. Solana back at the under the 50 DMA again. We only broke over it, well, for a few days. But I mean, we're testing the daily lower band. The bands are expanding. So we've got more room on the downside without going below the 3SD lower band next time. In terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence. We obviously broken significantly down from the flag here, and we are down almost 2/3 of the way down to a retest for low. I'm thinking this next move sees that retest. All right, let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is also back below the 50 DMA, and it's only just below the 50 DMA, but it's down below the 50 DMA and the daily middle band as well. Not really looking for higher. It was only a small rally, and it's already giving it back. No current divergence on the hourly chart. In terms of the flag here, we haven't broken below the flag support, which is in about the 1900 area, but I'm thinking we're going to retest the low on here too. These all look like bear flags. This has all been playing out. I've had a few comments. It's not been playing out very fast, but the fact is, these things sometimes take a while. In fact, there's a absolutely monster bear flag, I think, on. No, I mean this whole setup here. If you look at Bitcoin, this was a bull flag, and that formed between October and April. So just saying, as flags go, this isn't a huge one. Although obviously it's not small. This bull flag here that formed between March and we broke up in October. So I mean, flags are a regular thing. They sometimes take a few weeks. It can be boring. So, that's just the way it is. All right, so that's where we are. I think no questions. So I think that's a wrap for today. I'll see you guys again on Monday. And everyone have a wonderful holiday weekend. All right, cheers.